And I knew it. That bottom hose right there, man. That bottom hose. I said, hey, yo. Man, this your boy Tulu back with another video, baby. Man, how y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey, that's what's up. Listen, keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing. But if everything ain't going right for you right now, just wait, man. 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week, you'll definitely be in a better situation. So, hey, chin up, keep trucking, man. All right, man. So today's video, hey, we about to give it to you like I promised. Paul, you know, nothing like that. We about, just like I promised in the last video, we is about to do a test drive, man. Yes, man. We have finally just about got everything pretty much worked out. As y'all see, got on the charger and everything. We pretty much got everything worked out as far as like the cooling system. Burped the radiator. I didn't do a full video with that, you know what I'm saying? Because hey, y'all seen that. Hey, and special shout out to my dude 87 SS boy. Shout out to AutoZone, man. I was needing to go ahead and put my temperature sending unit back over here on that side. Hey, and they were the only ones in town that had them in store. Went straight over there, picked them up, put the sensor in there. Y'all done seen me struggle with it before. Hey, I wasn't gonna bore y'all with it this time. The only other problems that y'all see, I still didn't move that this breather yet. Still didn't move it. Was thinking about, shout out to my dude SS Gang as well. He sent me a picture of like how his setup is, and it's over there on the driver's side, kind of cut right there, which it could go. Another person, I forgot who you was, my apologies, I forgot who you was, but they were just saying pretty much just get the mass airflow from right there, you know, on that pipe, off of that pipe, and probably like get another turn and bank it right here behind the driver's side headlight. Hey, another good idea, man. Hey, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all opinions, suggestions, or anything. I mean, just don't tell me what to do, but I appreciate y'all opinions, man, for real, because without y'all, hey, none of this is possible, right? But we are running into another issue. As y'all been hearing me over the past videos, we had the alternator checked out. It tested great. It's good to go. But for some reason, man, and I think what it is it's this, it has to be this exciter wire, man. I'm not sure if what happened. Like, I really didn't do anything with this when we started it back up. I didn't change anything about it where it was. It was fine. We're still getting the 12-volt key on power where it was, but for some reason it's not charging the battery. It behooves me. Everything is hooked up. I get my 12 volts here from the battery, and it's like it's not charging the battery. So that's one of the main reasons we do have it on the charge over there, because it almost went dead on me when I was trying to burp the system. Seriously, yeah, that was kind of crazy. But other than that, man, hey, it ain't gonna be a far one. You know, I ain't gonna do too much with it right now because, you know, we just put it back together. I need a chance for everything to kind of heat up, warm up, and, you know, kind of get used to each other, you know, communicate a little bit. And then, you know, we'll start pushing her back how it was. But all right, man, I'm gonna go ahead, pull her out, let her get up to temp, and we gonna take this ride, man. Y'all ready? Man, let's get it. See y'all, we getting the temp. Alright, let's get her up out of here and then let her warm up a little bit and we'll hit the road. Temperature a little bit. Let's hit it, man. Take a old ride to the gas station. See how she does, man. We're gonna take the back roads too. We're gonna take the back road just because it's longer. Bouncing from like 171, 174. I know the fans should be on now. We're definitely losing power over here, so they probably definitely are on now. Oil pressure good, it's at 60 while driving. Fuel is 30. I mean, I think that should be about right. Dang, I snatched the little thing back off again. Made it to the gas station and ain't gonna fill it up. Hey, and I knew it. That bottom hose right there, man. That bottom hose. Let me get that straight out so we can get out of here. Man, y'all, don't use these hoses, bro. They look good, but don't use them, man. Look at this. Dang. Yeah, I want to shout out to my lady, man. As soon as she seen me, she was like, hey, you need any help? Pulled up, brought her toolbox out for me. Hey, what's your name?
Trisha Shipman Hines.
Miss Trisha, man. Shout out to her, man. She be up here at the store all the time. Well, we about to get some gas, try to make it back to the house.
Not try.
Try.
We gonna make it back. Okay.
Right. Oh, you put it back?
No, that was yours.
Oh, okay, yes. Let me get 15 on 6, please.
Big stuff. I don't want to get sprayed.
Y'all, the old lady had pulled up, right? She gonna tell me I'm on the wrong side to pump gas.
Well, hell, I ain't know. I'm used to a left or a right. Pick your poison.
Y'all know we ain't even gonna fill it up.
You got more to be.
Well, we made it back to the crib, man, and I did realize that joker still was leaking. It still was leaking. That's why our temperature kind of went a little higher than normal, and I bet you that puppy is leaking right now. Look at it. Oh, look at it. It's damn skeeting out. It's hot. But what it is that little grommet, man, in the middle of that hose is pretty much shot. That little grommet down there is pretty much shot, man. Hey, it might been a failure, but hey, at least we made it back home. We ain't have no heads fly off. It wasn't missing. I mean, it definitely needs a tune. We definitely about to hop on that soon, immediately. Well, as soon as my guy get to come over here. That's just very unfortunate right now. But yeah, hey, so it's a little win in my book. I mean, that hose ain't really stopping nothing. It ain't run over like 200, you know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all know your boy gonna show the good, the bad, and the ugly. What else, man? I already got the exciter wire ordered. Shout out to AutoZone once again, 87. I got me another one ordered from them. They don't carry them in the stores around here or nothing like that. But hey, until next time, I appreciate y'all for tapping in with your boy. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on all your notification bill. Well, turn your notification bells on to all. Make sure you hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment down there in the chat. You know what I'm saying? I comment back. If you got a project you working on, you know what I'm saying, and I check your channel out, I'm gonna definitely subscribe to you. Hey, but until next time, man, I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Make sure you come back, hype the video up. But salute, salute, salute. Let's get it.